Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on FedEx. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in fedex.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official FedEx website from which you can log into your account by clicking on the sign up/login button at the top right corner. Then simply click on your login type and you will be asked to enter your credentials. Now within the user ID section, if you created your user ID, just type in your user ID that you created and then enter your account password within the password box. Now if you're using your private device and you are not logging in from someone else's device, then you can click on remember my user ID. Otherwise leave it as it is and click on the login button. And now you will be logged into your FedEx account right away, which means you can immediately start shopping and delivering your products. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on FedEx. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.